Hey everybody, this is Benji here from Raepa Music, sharing ideas with you. It's been a while since we have created one of these YouTube videos, and I'd like to just run through with you some of these tracks that I've done while it's been quiet on YouTube and Facebook and all the socials and whatnot. So very quickly, it's a song by Tauren Wells. I jokingly usually say to some of my friends saying that, hey, look, Tauren Wells from Kariku, specifically from Waima. But yeah, that's just a side joke that we always share with our friends and whatnot. So, but yeah, a really good singer. I think apparently is part of the worship team at Lakewood, and love most of his songs, but particularly this song is Echo. And what we did to this song is that we translated it. I did. So we translated it into Pisin, Pisin, and here's how it sounds. Hope you like it.
Tudaki puna na pour it strong through. You sing out on me. I'm Billy Blues, no got mobile. You am strong on me. Think long me talk me no good blah. God you all get up long me. Me save me no na bluesing me. You know na bluesing me. You know na bluesing me. You all impassing me. You know na bluesing. Me heart in big balance, sing out the camp. You all impassing me. You know na bluesing. Me heart in big balance, sing out the camp. Sing out the camp. Oh, oh, oh.